Hey Charmers, it's your girl Steph B, and today we're talking about premium spoilers. Let's jump right in. So the first spoiler is going to be the Too Faced Natural Matte Neutral Matte Eyeshadow Palette. First of all, the packaging is bomb, okay? Then we have this, you guys. Look at these eyeshadow colors. Very nice. Oh yeah, there we go. I like that. Look how nice. You have a beautiful eyeshadow palette right here. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9 eyeshadows in this palette. This palette is so beautiful. This should definitely be like your go-to eyeshadow palette. And it's amazing. So that's sneak peek number 1. Sneak peek number 2 is the Kevyn Aucoin The Expert Mascara. Kevyn Aucoin is an amazing and prestigious brand. So when you get your hands on this, we are so lucky. We are absolutely lucky. This is the mascara. Look at the wand. It's very nice. And I actually have this mascara on because I was just live right now. And I was live on IG with Mel and we were just doing like a get ready. And I applied this mascara and actually really like it. I'm stunned by how beautiful this mascara is. Like, I want to show you guys my eyes up close. But those are like my lashes. And I actually like it because it's the darkest dark and it feels good on my lashes. So this is the A1 right here. Okay, Charmers. So to continue sneak peek number 1, we have the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bronzer. This is it. First of all, packaging again with Too Faced is a banger. This is a beautiful, beautiful bronzer. So next we have the Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio. And quick fun fact, this is packaged to look like a lens, like a camera lens. How dope is that? That's bomb, actually. This is the eyeshadow. Super nice. So cute. I actually really love this. This is nice. Nice and compact to take anywhere with you. You can take your cute lens and slip it anywhere. And one more product that we don't have photographed right now, but I'll insert an image right here. It's the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. Okay, so the next product we have is sneak peek number 2, and it's the Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. So we have 3 shades. However, I have 2 on my hands right now. You guys have to stay tuned for our full box review for you to see the next color. So these 2 I have in my hands right now are in the color Flare and Glimmer. Let's give these a swatch. So one I'm gonna put on my lips and one I'm gonna put on my cheek. I absolutely adore Milk Makeup. That brand is amazing. So the first one I wanna try is the orange one, which is in the shade Flare. So I'm gonna put this on my cheeks. That's cute, I like that. That's really cute. And the thing about these Milk Makeup products is they make it so easy for everyone and anyone to use it. And they love to push the fact that to use your hands to do it because using your body heat just helps maneuver all the products nicely. I like it, it's cute and it was so easy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try the other color, which is in Glimmer. I'm gonna try these on my lips. I know I have a lip gloss on already, but okay. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that directly. I notice it, it's cute. What do you guys think? I like it. It adds like a tint of berry color to my lips, which I really love. Alrighty, Charmers, so the next product we have is from Tarte, from Sugar Rush Tarte. It's the Best Bud Lip Butter Balm in the shade Peony. This is what the product looks like. And then I'm gonna show you guys what the actual packaging looks like. And you guys already know, I'm such a sucker for packaging. You guys, how cute is this? Okay, super, super cute. And check out the inside, very nice. This is great to apply on your lips any time of the day. It's extremely nourishing and it has jojoba oil in it, which allows to soften and naturally exfoliate your lips. This is really good. Oh, and it smells really nice. Oh, it smells really good. It has like a very vanilla scent, which is Everyone loves vanilla, especially just a small tint. It wouldn't hurt anybody. Alrighty, charmers, that wraps it up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave us some comments down below of what you think about our sneak peek videos. Stay tuned, and we have so much more coming up for you guys. Bye!